Hello there, this is Software Sensei, and welcome back to a tutorial lesson where I'll be introducing you to HTML. If you're new, please hit a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So, what is HTML? Going to find out. As you can see, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language that is used to create web pages. Markup languages are used to describe the structure and the content of a document. HTML uses tags to mark up different parts of a web page, such as headings, paragraphs, lists, and images. So HTML is a very powerful language that is used to display web pages as well as paragraphs, images, lists, etc. And is very useful for creating websites as well as web applications, games as well. So I feel like for beginners, if you want to become a web developer or programmer, you should start HTML. It's very useful. Okay, so what is the purpose of HTML? Let's see. So as you can see, the purpose of HTML is to structure the content in a web page and tells the browser on how to display the web page. HTML tags allow to display information and elements including images and links, making sure on how the document is displayed. Also on how to format the text using the HTML tags in the correct position. As you can see in this example, you have a picture of tags, HTML tag in a HTML document. So in that picture you can see the tags being displayed, and especially the table tag, which I'm going to talk later, and as well as other things, so forms, links. So yeah, I feel like HTML is very fundamental and very um, useful for developers to begin their developing their website as well. And as you can see, this is an example of how it looks like, how it displays. So this one here is a H1 tag. So it's a heading tag, and this one displays as this is a web page. So this is a title, a heading. And this one here is a H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag. So there are many like heading tags in this web page. Okay, so if you have any questions about it or interested, please let me know in the comments down below as I'm proceeding through the slide. Okay, in this next slide, I will show you the basic structures in HTML. So these are the basic structures of how HTML consists using these type of elements. So the first element is, or tag, is angle bracket exclamation mark doc type HTML. So this is a document type declaration which tells the browser which version of HTML the document is written in. So there are many basic structures on HTML. For example, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and body tag. I'll explain through the HTML tag in a second. So as for HTML tag, is a root of an element of an HTML document. It contains all of the other elements in the document. So basically for HTML tag, it contains the opening tag and the closing tag uh, inside of the HTML language. It also uses to indicate which web page you're displaying through. As well for the head tag, this element contains metadata about the document such as title, the author, and the keywords. So here's the head tag is basically contains all the information inside of the element. So the title displays inside the author as well as the link and hyperlink all of the elements and information that requires inside of the HTML tag that is being used. It's at the top of the page. So inside of the head tag, you have a title tag. So a title tag, it specifies the title of the document. The title is displayed in a browser's title bar. For example, you have you have a browser where it displays a title name and also a logo that indicates which browser you're displaying for. As well as when you search out the name, title name, it comes out in the search bar. So I would recommend you to possibly add in your title so that your web page will display your name and all things that you require inside, which I will talk about the body. So as well for the body, this element contains the content of the document. It is where you will place the text, images, and other elements that you want to display on the web page. So for the body tag, so the body tag is basically the main frame of the web page. So it contains elements, contains as well as classes, keywords, links, everything that requires inside the main part of the web page. This is an example of a basic HTML structure in Visual Studio Code. So that's this Visual Studio Code context. That's basically how I use Visual Studio Code. You can use other code editors, but for me, Visual Studio Code is a very useful website. I recommend you trying that out. Link in my bio. Overview on HTML. So here's my brief summary on HTML. HTML is a markup language that is used to create web pages. It contains tags to mark up the text, images, and links. It is a very reliable programming language for people wanting to create websites, gaming, and web application. So I feel like again earlier on in the video I said that HTML is very reliable programming language and useful for beginners to develop the website and everything required. So HTML is a very useful language. Okay, I'll wrap up for this video for today. If you're new, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I'll upload more HTML coding videos and other coding languages. So let me know down in the comment section below if you've got any ideas for me. That will be helpful. That will be grateful for me. I love you guys. So this is it. This is Software Sensei Abin, and I'm out. Peace.